Good morning, everyone.
Hello there. Hello there. It's fucking. Currently, it is about 7 a.m. Today is cloudy. A bit disappointing, but it could be a good day on a cloudy day.
Yeah. Hello, cloud. Hello, fog.
God. Maybe God will come down and be like, "Be gone, cloud." But then again, he doesn't like black people, so.
Wasn't God like a Jew?
I think he.
Oh, wait.
I think he. I don't know. Considering that his son was from Egypt, I don't know. Doesn't really matter, cause we're chilling on this cloudy ass day. And screw coffee.
God.
I'm not drinking coffee.
Why did God let slavery happen if he was black?
I don't know, Richard. You're gonna have to ask him that. That's a very good question, though.
I don't know, bro. Something's up.
Is the jig
I have
up?
to check him. I don't do the jig. I wouldn't know.